Okay. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm recording. Hey guys, this is Golden Fox here, but now I changed my account again to Foxy Nightwolf. I think that's what I put. Tell me in the comments below. Is this retarded helmet? A mask, cause look, you can't see my face. Wait, can you just see it inside? No. Okay, sorry. Hey, birds are just look. My birds are literally there. Okay, I'm gonna hide from my nephew real quick. Yeah? Oh no, dude, I haven't recorded yet. Dude, I haven't recorded the video yet. I haven't posted. Are you watching? I'm watching Minecraft. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go outside to get my birds because I don't have the video thing yet. Oh. Dude, a long time ago, I literally saw a clown. It was a long time ago on Halloween. Now, yesterday. Yeah. Oh, look at this mess. And last time we recorded, there was a cat back there and it's gone. It was pretending it was dead. This is my pet bird. Gringo's up there and I can't. Oh my god, look at he scratched me. Say hi to Gringo. There you go, say hi. He's Gringo versus the birds, so oh my god. It's kinda windy. I mean it is windy, but say hi, Gringo. Well, he did. I teach him how to talk, but he's a budgie. And fucking grass. My friend's house is right there. If you guys want to add me as your friend in the Xbox, you can. I'm Rickshaw Scavenger. Yeah, I'm gonna record about everything. Not everything, but tell me. Hit that like button before when I end the video. Add a comment below, which Five Nights at Freddy's is first or the lastest one. Just add a comment below. If you guys like the video, subscribe and peace.